Let's see if you have taste. Cheese or chocolate? Burger or steak? Download the Would You Rather app and enjoy more of these games. Available now on the App Store, link in bio. Go to a restaurant alone, or go with the first person who appears when you click share and WhatsApp. Soft drink or tea? Peanut butter or jelly? Never be able to eat any fruits or comment your favorite fruit. Beef or chicken? Write your answers in the comment section and follow us for more.